Okay, week 8 scenario. In week 8 scenario, we have show one is that we are to do a maintenance plan that has some task in it. And this is my maintenance plan. I have selected the bowling league example and the recipes example database. It has in it the task to check the database integrity, to reorganize the index, to build the index, to update statistics, to clean history, and to carry out a full database backup. It is scheduled to run daily at 1 a.m. And so I would proceed to execute this maintenance plan. And it's successful. And if we go into the backup location, which I've selected, we can see that we have the backup for the file and the report that is associated with this maintenance plan also in there. For the show two, the instruction says that we are to do something we feel is of import to a company. I have decided to use the school scheduling example database. If we take the example like any school, a school is busy with students. There are a lot of transactions, there are a lot of activities that happens almost 24/7. And so it is important that these databases or the database is kept clean. Here is the second tab I just clicked on. In this database, I have, again, they're going to check the database integrity, update statistics, rebuild the index, carry out a full database, clean the history. But what this database has that the former maintenance plans I didn't have is to shrink the database. This is because there's so many transactions on the school database, and once they happen on such a long time, you need to compact the database back. And I feel this is important. Otherwise, the database continues to grow with needless transactions that has already been updated. And just looking in the jobs column, we can see that we have a school scheduling maintenance plan sub-plan. Again, it is just one plan. This plan will be run as needed, and it actually will be run once a week. It isn't scheduled um, to run like the other database is. So it's going to be run as on demand. Okay, and so the instructions requires us to show the code inside each of the steps. And if I oh, I'm sorry, I'm starting with the backup database. Let me scroll up to check the integrity. If I choose to edit that and view the TSL in there, the codes of these are given actually as per the tags themselves. And so I would run the maintenance plan again, execute it. Again, it's successful. We go and look at the photos. We have a files earlier on. We can see the school scheduling backup there, and we also have the report on there also. So thank you for watching.